friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the how much screen on time you can actually get in the Realme 6 device, friends. And before starting the video, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description also, friends, for the playlist of the Realme 6 phone. So where you can find plenty of useful videos, not only the Realme 6, even for the other smartphones as well. So even if you want to know how I use this kind of wallpaper, stay tuned, friends. Very soon I'll be doing a wallpaper review on the Realme 6, how you can make this kind of wallpapers for the Realme 6 phone only. So let's get started with the test, friends. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can check the links in description for the Instagram link, so where you can follow my page, friends. And after following, you can ask the questions with me, so I will be replying to you all, friends. And stay tuned by liking the page, because every day I'll be trying to post new stuff in the Instagram profile. So definitely this will be very helpful. And let's get started, friends, with the battery drain test, which I am doing for the past couple of 2 days. So for the 2 days I am using the phone continuously, friends. And during this test I have used with the two SIM cards installed in the phone. Let me show you the battery percent at the moment. As you can see, friends, 22%. And throughout this usage, the 4G was on, I think, close to 60% of the time, 60 to 70% of the time. But only when I come to home, I used to connect to the Wi-Fi network, friends, because in my home the 4G signals are very bad, so I used to not get that much signals. As you can see, friends, the screen on time is around 5 hours and 46 minutes. And one thing you need to remember is that I have used with a 60 Hz refresh rate. So let me open the displays. As you can see, friends, 60 Hz refresh rate. So these are what the settings I have used. So overall, if you ask me, with a 60 Hz refresh rate, and if you ask me how much is the screen on time, it's possible. So I would say close to 6 hours to 7 hours of screen on time is possible, friends, with the Realme 6 phone. So this is with the medium usage, so not with the normal, this is with the medium. So the reason why I said the medium, because during this time I did plenty of Antutu benchmark test and display comparison test with other smartphones. Maybe I did close to 15 to 20 videos I uploaded, friends, on the Realme 6 phone. So during this time the brightness was sometimes high and sometimes 50%. So that's why I would consider this kind of usage to medium usage. So these with the two SIM cards installed, and 60 to 70% of the time with a 4G connection, and next is with a Bluetooth connection as well. So during this time, I think close to 3 to 4 hours of Bluetooth connection, listen to the music, friends, in the phone. So this is what I did. Even I did few phone calls. So let me show you the what is the usage of my application. So as I said, as you can see, friends, the Antutu benchmark application is on the top second. So clearly you can see. So I did plenty of Antutu benchmark comparison, friends, with other smartphones. So during this time, even MX Player I used a lot in terms of comparing the display quality between Realme 6 and other smartphones. So that's why the usage is the kind of medium usage. As you can see, friends, even yesterday and even during this time as well, I was replying in the Instagram to my fans, to my followers in the Instagram, friends. And this is the overall screen on time I can achieve in the Realme 6 phone. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, don't forget to ask me in the Instagram, friends. In next video, I'll try to do with the 90 Hz refresh rate. So that's it for this video, friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.